Okay, guys, just like that, I am back home. So this is my weekend routine. I try to exercise more so that I have a healthy life. So if I don't go to the gym, I normally have a walk. It can be either in the morning or in the afternoon. But today I've chosen to do it in the morning because of the weather is going to get really, really hot. It's still summer here in Australia, and I've done 9 kilometer walk that started from Parramatta to Rydomere, which is a 9 kilometer walk to and fro. I feel fresh, a little bit of tiredness, but it's okay. So I just wanted to share with you guys my weekend routine, and this is one of them. So when I'm going for a walk, I don't normally eat anything. I choose not to, so that I don't feel really good if I eat something and then go for a long walk like that. So I come back and make something light to eat. But because it's almost 12 o'clock midday, I'm not gonna eat breakfast today. So no more breakfast for me, and I'm just gonna make something like and eat. So then I'm going to feel shower and enjoy my day. I hope everyone is doing well. Thank you so much, guys, for subscribing. Make sure you like, share, and if you have any comment, you can leave a comment down below. But guys, this is me in the morning. This is what I do on the weekend. Start my day by doing a walk a little bit. So guys, today my voice is kind of like scratchy because I think I'm coming down with a flu or something, a cold. So I don't have a clear voice, but I can still go for a walk and enjoy my weekend. And this is where I normally do my walk, whether it is in the morning or in the evening. I do it this way to keep me fit. Sometimes I go to the gym, but I like walking in the nature so much than going to the gym. So today is my nature walk day, and I'm taking you on a journey with me, guys. So stay tuned and see where I do my walk. That's the Melton Tower behind me. Looks clearly gone. It's pretty empty. I think people thought it was gonna be so hot. It's getting hot, guys, but it's still better. Still not too bad, but I think once it gets to midday, it's gonna be really, really hot with humid. So it's good to have a walk. Do the walk in the morning between 6 to 11 o'clock before midday. Otherwise, the humidity gets really high. So I'm still walking. Clearly, it's not easy today. I think some people are scared of the humidity. Oh, wow, it's amazing to have a walk in the morning, guys. In the nature. Look at this. That's my left hand side. On the right, we have like, just a space left for living things, species, like reptiles and those. So that's nice. nice place, guys. These are places that you can do picnic, your friends, family. Yeah. Nice lake. That's beautiful. They've made this place really nice for the public student too. This is University of Sydney. No, sorry. This is University of Western Sydney. And you'll come here to do exercising. You know, it's good. Sometimes people come here to do fishing. So if you're a fan of doing fishing, you can come here and do the fishing. It goes all the way that side to right of Maya. So there's so many different spots that you can come to and do fishing. This is the Parramatta River. Just alone, guys, but there's so many people riding the bicycle, and few people walking, few people riding the bicycle. Whatever is working for you guys is all good. It's a good exercise, especially in the morning. So I have decided to just walk to burn the calories and feel fit, guys. This is my weekend routine, what I do in the morning or in the evening, but today I've decided to do it in the morning. It's better because it's gonna get hot. and I've done how many kilometers? 4 kilometers. 4 kilometers down the line. I've got 4 more to go. 4 more to go. By the time I get home, I would have run 8 kilometers. So let's see. I have to get home anyway. I'm not taking any bus or ferry or anything. I have to just walk and get home. So I'll be doing around 8 to 9 kilometers at the end of this trip. And just like that, I'm back to where I started my walk. I did it from Kalamata to Radomera, which is 9 kilometers.